What it do, boys and girls? You already know what it is. It's your favorite non-known YouTuber, Mike Sally, man. We're here with another fucking banger, of course. Um, Literally just finished on my shoulder portion. I did want to get that on camera though, but really was want to lock in, so I didn't record that. Anyways, long story short though, today's biceps, tries. We got a full length video for you guys on the biceps and tricep muscles and the few variations of workouts that we're going to be doing for that. It's not going to be full detailed only because motherfucker dead though. But again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and go share it with your family and friends. All right, man. So like I said, guys, we got three sets of warm up, tries, and tries, and then we'll jump into the variations of movements from there though. But yeah, nothing too crazy, guys. Like I said, it doesn't require a lot to grow size, build aesthetics around the arms. Just a really nice, good routine and program designed for you and only you. But to be honest, the best part about this movement, it's going to do two things. It's going to make or break. Hard times. To break my body. Watch the contraction from here. Just squeeze all the way through, muscle fiber over there. Squeezing at the very top, right? So there's not just this happening, there's an actual contraction throughout the entire movement, which is the only way you're going to make changes, all right? I ain't gonna lie, I probably have a little bit more energy into this movement once it's working in general, but the good thing about it is my main focus on this particular video was more so the kind of teaching, just success to get you guys some pointers on a particular arm here side that you want to go do some movements, but I guarantee you every movement that I do put out there, guaranteed to work. Now, if you're looking for a program designed for particular goals, that's a whole different story. The workout that I put out, anybody can benefit from this one. Ladies, men, children, babies, all that good shit. Bicep curls with your elbows. And you're moving forward, away from the body. It should actually be migrated onto the body. Be able to curl. Boom.
hiciste? ¿Y eso? ¿Cómo hiciste eso? ¿Y no hiciste? Ayer, pudiste hacer pecho ya. Ok, está bien.
And let's say you still here trying to get right. Appreciate you. Once again, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Please, thank you. Most part, not a command. But yeah, no, sit right. We got one more set, and then I'll migrate from there. So other than that, man, Triceps, go crushes, triceps. Please make sure that you're doing the triceps. And then you do them all. Just literally white really white. Again, the workout is shot for free. Leave comment section, any questions related to the workout, any questions related to the goals, any questions related to fitness overall. And you know, you said me. But yeah, man. Hope you enjoy. Gotta be well. Gotta be blessed. I'm gonna finish up with this school. Peace out. Love you all.